This is the real short little video on the transmission bearings. This is a transmission out of an engine of mine, and I noticed on this 4 mil engine, I didn't explain which way the bearings go. I think I have in other videos, but I couldn't find it. It's pretty self-explanatory because, you know, being the cases have grooves in them and the bearings have the clips, it's only going to go in one way. But in case some of you guys are wondering exactly how they go, just for the heck of it, I'm going to show you guys. So this is the output shaft right here. This is where your sprocket would go. This large bearing here with this groove, it's going to go on this way. It's not clean. Okay, and this groove is going to face the inside. Then the other half, the other side of this same shaft on the clutch side, this small bearing goes on with the groove facing the same way. They both face the same direction. The large one faces inside the engine, the small one faces outside the engine. So that's how that one goes on. Then you're going to have the input shaft. This is where your clutch rides. It actually would go in like this. This is where your clutch, basket rides, and all that good stuff. So you're going to have this bearing. Doesn't have any special way. It's just a smooth bearing. So you can put it on however you want, this way or this way. This bearing right here has a closed side to it and an open side. It'll work either way, but the way it's meant to be installed is with the open side facing out towards the clutch basket and all that good stuff, so it can get more oil splash. So if your shaft is in, if you got your cases sitting this way, this faces outside like this. It's going to face the clutch basket, just like that. So I hope that clears that up for you guys in case you were wondering.